Hey guys, Big Daddy Hoffman 1911 coming to you today. I got two revolvers in my hand, and one we just did a video on. The 45 Colt, both of them are 45 Colt revolvers. This is an 1873, and this is the 1895. This one, guys, is a Cimarron Bisley. Now look at this revolver. It's quite different.
See that grip.
Look at this grip.
Yep.
How about that now? Looks a lot different than this guy, doesn't it? So, now I haven't shot this revolver, I don't think, but one time. So, I'm interested to feel these grips again. And I think I shot this back in 1895, right? Yeah. I figured I'd say it before one of you guys did, you know. All right, so let's load this 45 Colt up and see how it feels. What do you say, guys?
Sounds good.
Heck yeah.
Let's do this.
This grip feels just as strange as it looks. So we'll see how it goes.
Okay. Let's see.
Actually, it shoots a lot better than the other one.
Really?
I mean, a lot better.
It should. There you go.
I think that's it. Yep. There's something about that grip angle.
It does feel
Feels weird, but it's much more controllable.
Yes. Well, you got more to hang on to, right?
I guess. I don't know.
Yep. We'll make a single action revolver guy out of you yet.
Yeah.
Let's load it back up. Jody, you want to try?
You should carry one of these in a drop leg.
Yeah.
2 of them.
Yeah, here you go. All right, let's do this.
That is unique grip angle. Okay. A little high. Shoots good. Left.
How's
Man,
it
that
feel
was
in your
cool.
hand?
Yeah, I mean it's 45 long Colt, so it's got some punch, but it actually, like you said, even though that was a strange grip angle, it still pointed better, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
Something about it.
Yep.
I can see why they did it now.
All right, let's load her up one more time.
All right, sounds good. Now,
There
look.
Now you know how to do it.
Yeah, you got me cranking now.
There you go.
All right.
That case hardening looks good on there, doesn't it?
That's beautiful.
Yeah. All right, let's load her up.
All right.
You ready?
All right, showboater, let's see what you got.
All right, say when. Where'd I hear that before?
I have no idea.
I think it was off a Tombstone, right?
Sure.
All right.
Was that in black and white, or I'm just kidding with you.
All right, I did hit it, didn't I? I can't hardly see these sights. There we go. I think that was it. I will say, looking down the sights, it's a little hard to see with these sunglasses at sight, but
That's not a long distance sight, I don't think, like that other one.
But it's a very unusual grip, and again, I like the case hardening. It's a very, very beautiful revolver, and again, it's made by Cimarron. So
Did we mention that it is a target gun, right?
Yes.
It's designed for target shooting.
Yeah, you can only shoot targets with it.
But I'm saying that it wouldn't be, you wouldn't see this type of gun carried. I don't know, when back in the 1800s, did you carry guns like that? Or
Well, I don't think they were made in Italy back in the 1800s, right?
probably, well, they might have been.
They might have been, yeah. So this is right up your alley here, Italian boy.
Yeah, we'll have to do some research.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we'll shoot this one again on the range. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, favor, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Check us out on Full30. Keep up the fight against gun control. And as always, remember, Big Daddy loves you. Now, say when. Hoorah.